Welcome to My Neighborhood. In this video, you will learn about what the My Neighborhood application is, how to use it, and all the information you can obtain about your neighborhood. My Neighborhood is an interactive mapping application that allows you to find information about your neighborhood, such as your voting place, elected officials, assigned public schools, and important nearby public facilities including police and fire stations. This application also includes links to other public web resources providing information about real estate tax assessments, land development, and zoning. My Neighborhood can be found on the GIS Division's public web page. Under Popular Applications, click My Neighborhood, and the application will open. Another way is to click the red button to browse the entire collection of interactive applications, which is searchable and organized alphabetically. So I'll scroll down to M for My Neighborhood. I'll click the thumbnail and open the application. To search by address, I can clear the X in the address search bar and type in an address of interest. Once that address is found, click the address and the map will center and zoom on that address. In the left-hand panel, I can see information related to government officials applicable to that address, school board members, and some map points of interest that we'll discuss later in the video. Another way to search is to use Get Report by Map Click, which allows me to click an area in the map to change the view. Here I'll use aerial photography and zoom in to a property of interest. Once I found it, I can click the map and center and zoom on this new location and notice that the left panel information has changed. My Neighborhood provides information in two different ways. The first is through a series of links in the pop-up window for the address found by searching. Links to other applications provide information on tax assessments, nearby land development, and zoning. The second is through points of interest which are displayed in the map. The points of interest are also listed on the left-hand panel where Show on Map links are provided to focus on the facility of interest. Let's look at these in another demonstration. Links to other applications can be found in both the pop-up for the address and the left-hand panel. Here, I'll look at property assessments by clicking the iCare link. I can see information related to values, sales, and ownership. For nearby land development, I can click the second link and see information related to land development permitting, and I can get more information on one of the permits listed there. Lastly, zoning information is available on the third link, where I can open a zoning viewer, I can turn on a layer list, and turn layers on and off within that list. Here, I'll scroll down to Approve Zoning, so I can turn on that layer and start to review zoning information nearby for the address that I had searched. And click the link in the pop-up for specific zoning information. Within My Neighborhood's left-hand panel, there are some mapped points of interest that I can click Show on the map, and it will pan to that feature. These are listed throughout the scrolling bar, and I can look at the different nearby schools, and it will take me to those locations. And if I want to get back to my original point that I had searched, I can zoom out and pan to the red dot and recenter my map on it, or I can just click the search again to return to the extent that I had previously shown. You can access My Neighborhood and some of our other public mapping applications at fairfaxcounty.gov/maps. Thank you for watching.